For decades, pickup trucks represented far more than transportation. They were symbols of freedom, hard work, independence, and American identity. Whether parked on a ranch, towing heavy equipment to a job site, or cruising through a small town on a Saturday night, trucks built a unique culture unlike anything else in the automotive world. Owners modified them with lift kits, oversized tires, exhaust systems, and custom wheels. Truck meets filled parking lots every weekend, while brands like Ford, Chevrolet, Ram, Toyota, and GMC competed fiercely for loyal fans. But in 2026, many enthusiasts believe truck culture is changing faster than ever before. While pickup trucks remain among the best-selling vehicles in North America, the culture surrounding them has shifted dramatically. Rising prices, stricter regulations, changing buyer priorities, and rapid advances in technology have transformed what it means to own a truck. The truck isn't disappearing, but the traditional truck lifestyle that millions grew up with is evolving. Trucks have become luxury vehicles. One of the biggest reasons enthusiasts say truck culture has changed is simple: affordability. Years ago, buying a pickup meant purchasing a practical work vehicle that could also serve as reliable family transportation. Today, many full-size trucks cost as much as luxury SUVs. Popular trims like the Ford F-150 Platinum, Ram 1500 Limited, GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate, Chevrolet Silverado High Country, and Toyota Tundra Capstone regularly exceed $80,000. Some heavy-duty diesel trucks climb well beyond the $100,000 mark once options are added. As prices continue to rise, younger buyers who once dreamed of owning a lifted pickup often find themselves priced out of the market. Instead of modifying new trucks, many enthusiasts keep older models longer or shop for used pickups. The result is a noticeable shift in truck ownership. More buyers now view pickups as premium lifestyle vehicles rather than affordable tools built for work. Technology has replaced simplicity. Modern trucks are more advanced than ever. Today's pickups offer massive touchscreen displays, digital instrument clusters, adaptive cruise control, hands-free highway driving, over-the-air software updates, wireless connectivity, surround view cameras, and dozens of electronic driver assistance systems. These features make trucks safer and more comfortable, especially for families and long-distance travel. However, many longtime truck owners miss the simplicity of older pickups. Previous generations were easy to repair, easy to modify, and relatively inexpensive to maintain. Modern trucks rely heavily on software, sensors, cameras, and electronic modules that require specialized diagnostic equipment. As trucks become rolling computers, many owners feel disconnected from the machines they once repaired themselves in their own garages. Emissions rules continue changing engines. Engine technology has also transformed truck culture. Large, naturally aspirated V8 engines are no longer the default choice across the industry. Manufacturers continue investing in turbocharged gasoline engines, hybrid powertrains, smaller displacement engines, improved fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. Ford's EcoBoost turbocharged engines remain central to its lineup. Toyota continues expanding hybrid technology through its iForce Max powertrain. Ram has introduced the Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six in place of the Hemi in several models, while General Motors continues refining both gasoline V8 and turbocharged four-cylinder options alongside its diesel engines. These changes deliver impressive horsepower and torque while improving fuel economy. Yet many enthusiasts miss the unmistakable sound and character of traditional V8 engines. Although V8s remain available in several trucks, they no longer dominate the market the way they once did. Social media changed truck enthusiasm. Truck culture itself has changed. Years ago, local truck meets, off-road events, county fairs, and weekend gatherings brought owners together. Today, much of that community exists online. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook groups, and online forums have become the primary places where enthusiasts share builds, compare modifications, review new models, and debate reliability. Digital communities connect millions of truck owners across the world, but some enthusiasts argue they cannot fully replace meeting people face-to-face. Instead of spending weekends at local truck events, many owners now spend hours watching truck content online. The community remains active, it simply looks very different. Trucks are serving more families than ever. Another major shift is who buys pickups. Traditional buyers often purchase trucks primarily for work, towing, farming, construction, or recreation. Today's buyers increasingly use pickups as daily family vehicles. Manufacturers have responded by improving interior quality, ride comfort, rear seat space, safety technology, and luxury features. Modern crew cab pickups offer heated and ventilated seats, panoramic sunroofs, premium audio systems, leather interiors, wireless charging, and advanced connectivity that rivals luxury SUVs. As trucks become more refined, they're attracting buyers who may never haul construction materials or tow heavy trailers. That broadens the market, but also changes the identity many longtime owners associate with pickup trucks. Modifying trucks is becoming more expensive. Customization has always been central to truck culture. Lift kits, suspension upgrades, performance tuning, larger tires, custom lighting, bumpers, exhaust systems, and wheels helped owners create trucks that reflected their personalities. Modern trucks, however, are more difficult and expensive to modify. Advanced driver assistance systems often require recalibration after suspension changes. Electronic steering, cameras, radar sensors, and onboard software complicate modifications that were once straightforward. Insurance costs can also increase after extensive upgrades, while warranty coverage may become more limited depending on the modification. Many owners still customize their trucks, but the process is increasingly technical and costly. Reliability has become a bigger priority. Truck buyers today spend more time researching reliability than ever before. Online forums, owner reviews, recall databases, independent testing, and long-term ownership reports influence purchasing decisions. Rather than focusing only on horsepower or appearance, buyers increasingly ask questions about maintenance costs, transmission durability, engine longevity, software stability, and repair expenses. Manufacturers recognize this trend and continue refining engines, transmissions, cooling systems, software calibration, and quality control processes to improve long-term durability. Reliability has become one of the defining conversations shaping today's truck market. Electrification is changing expectations. Electric trucks remain a relatively small portion of the overall pickup market, but they have influenced industry expectations. Even buyers who prefer gasoline or diesel trucks now expect faster acceleration, quieter cabins, improved efficiency, and more advanced onboard technology. Meanwhile, hybrid systems continue expanding because they offer stronger low-end torque, improved fuel economy, and better towing performance without requiring full electrification. Rather than replacing traditional trucks overnight, electrification is gradually reshaping customer expectations across every segment. Truck culture isn't dead, it's evolving. Despite dramatic changes, declaring truck culture dead may be an overstatement. Truck sales remain extremely strong across North America. Owners continue modifying pickups, attending off-road events, towing campers, supporting local businesses, and building online communities around their favorite brands. The biggest difference is that truck culture no longer revolves around one type of owner. Today's truck community includes contractors, ranchers, families, outdoor enthusiasts, overlanders, performance builders, content creators, and technology enthusiasts. The trucks themselves have changed, and so have the people buying them. Final thoughts. So, what really killed truck culture in 2026? Not one single event. Instead, it was the combination of rising vehicle prices, increasingly sophisticated technology, stricter emission standards, changing consumer expectations, luxury-focused designs, evolving powertrains, and the shift from local communities to digital platforms. Traditional truck culture hasn't disappeared. It has transformed into something new. The lifted V8 workhorse parked outside a hardware store now shares the road with luxury crew cabs, hybrid pickups, and technology-packed daily drivers. For some enthusiasts, that represents the end of an era. For others, it's simply the next chapter in the long history of pickup trucks. Whether you see these changes as progress or loss, one thing remains true. Pickup trucks continue to play a central role in the automotive world. The culture surrounding them is still alive. It just looks very different from what it did a generation ago.